In this lecture, we're going to begin our practical session of releasing fears around being judged for being psychic and using your psychic and healing abilities. So if you could get your pen and paper now and find a quiet place, and we're going to grade the following statements out of 10. If I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged. So writing down that number now, we're going to move forward and tap in the setup statement. So tapping into the karate chop point, even though I feel if I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel if I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel if I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So now we're going to start tapping the negative round into our primary points. Eyebrow, all this fear. Side eye, all this anxiety. Under eye, all this stress. Under nose, around being judged for using my psychic abilities. Chin, I should be ashamed of myself. Collarbone, it's a sin to use supernatural gifts. Underarm, I'm not allowed to use supernatural gifts. Head, I'll be punished and I'll be judged. Eyebrow, if I use my psychic abilities, I'll be powerless. Side eye, because I'll be judged. Under eye, I'll be condemned. Under nose, I'll be attacked. Chin, I'll be seen as an outsider. Collarbone, I can't use my psychic abilities or I will be judged. Underarm, they will all judge me. Head, I will suffer constant criticism. Eyebrow, all this fear. Side eye, all this stress. Under eye, all this shame. Under nose, around using my psychic abilities. Chin, it feels really stressful. Collarbone, because I know I'll be judged. Underarm, the judgmental attitudes will be relentless. Head, I don't know if I can handle it. Eyebrow, maybe I'm not strong enough. Side eye, maybe none of it is real anyway. Under eye, after all, there is no scientific proof. How can it be real? Under nose, there are plenty of frauds out there. Chin, and if I start using my psychic abilities, people will think I'm a fraud. Collarbone, if I can't prove it, how can it be real? Underarm, they'll think I'm a fraud. Head, they'll think I'm untrustworthy. Eyebrow, they'll think I'm crazy. Side eye, they'll think there's something wrong with me. Under eye, it's too much risk. Under nose, I'll end up feeling so powerless. Chin, I'll end up feeling so worthless. Collarbone, all the ways that I will be judged. Underarm, all the ways that I will judge myself. Head, I can't use my psychic abilities or I'll be judged. Eyebrow, maybe this isn't the truth. Side eye, maybe I just think it's the truth. Under eye, if others choose to judge, that's their business. Under nose, I don't have to live my life by others' judgments. Chin, I want to let go of this old story. Collarbone, I'm ready to let it go. Underarm, I want to release it and surrender it up. Head, I'm ready to let go of this limiting story. So we're going to take a deep breath in and breathe out. And we're going to grade this statement again out of 10. If I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged. Now hopefully you've managed to lower that, and we're going to move ahead with the positive statements. And remember, even if it hasn't been lowered, keep moving through with the positive statements, and hopefully by the end you'll see a marked difference. Eyebrow, I'm ready to feel more connected to my gifts. Side eye, I know I have a lot to offer. Under eye, and I know I can meet a lot of people who will honour my psychic gifts. Under nose, if others choose to judge me, they're only harming themselves. Chin, I don't need to believe their judgments to be whole. Collarbone, I can love myself and value my psychic gifts. Underarm, I'm ready to honour those gifts. Head, I'm ready to believe in myself. Eyebrow, I can trust my intuitive gifts. Side eye, it's possible to live in a world where my gifts won't be judged. Under eye, I deserve to have my psychic gifts respected. Under nose, others are entitled to their own opinion, but I don't have to take it on board as truth. Chin, but others are entitled to their own opinion, but I don't have to take it on board as truth. Collarbone, I can feel freer about using my psychic gifts now. Underarm, today is a new and improved day. Head, it is safe for me to use my psychic gifts. Eyebrow, I'm ready to tap into it now. Side eye, I'm ready to feel more confident in my psychic abilities. Under eye, I don't need to worry about what others think. Under nose, it only matters what I think in my own life. Chin, I can trust my abilities now. Collarbone, I can trust my abilities now. Underarm, I'm ready to take this new step, practicing my psychic abilities. Head, I'm excited about this new step, exploring my intuitive psychic gifts. Eyebrow, I'm ready to tap into it now. Side eye, I'm ready to feel more confident in my psychic abilities. Under eye, I don't need to worry what others think. Under nose, it only matters what I think in my own life. Chin, I can trust my abilities now. Collarbone, I can trust my abilities now. Underarm, I'm ready to take this new step, practicing my psychic abilities. Head, I'm excited about this new step, exploring my intuitive gifts. So we're going to take another deep breath in and breathe out. And we're going to grade this statement again out of 10. If I use my psychic abilities, I will be judged. Now, hopefully that number has significantly reduced for you and you're feeling more confident in yourself. If it's still above 4, then repeat this again. And as I've mentioned previously, it's really good to just be consistent with going in, and whenever you feel like you're wobbling and you're feeling like you're self-sabotaging and being afraid of judgment. And note any memories and judgments that come in, even if it's nothing to do with using your psychic gifts. Like maybe you stood up and gave a speech at school and got judged or laughed for saying something different to the others. That's the kind of thing that can really traumatize and damage you and make you feel afraid of putting yourself out there and doing something a bit unusual. So anything that comes up, tap on that trauma and that will help release it.